Do you want to have a kitchen garden but not quite sure where to start, and maybe you don't even have a green thumb? That's me. So let me show you some of the gadgets I've got to help me. So I have various things here, and what they are is sprouts. And there's different types of sprouting or seed sprouting that you can do, and it's so easy to do at home. I've bought these several years ago, and I use them over and over again. And recently I've tried other sprouting products. There we go. And not so happy with them. So one is this one. Now I live in a very damp country, and even though I put in less water than what they said, it's all moldy. And what they are little, it's a tower that you take some sprouting seeds, you pop them in, only about 2 teaspoons. You add water every day. The water filters in. It's supposed to give it a nice moist environment, and the seeds sprout. They're supposed to be very healthy for you and very easy. And they do only take a few days, but everything in here is moldy. So I will not be buying this again. It was quite cheap from Amazon. Now, if you live in a dry country, not a moist one like mine, then try it, see how it goes. Now, if you live in a moist country, this is more what I love. It's just jam jar, so it's not really tech or gadgety, but yeah, I think it is. Now, these ones came with 2 different types of lids, the plastic ones, and then these ones with the mesh in. To be honest, I like both of them, so it's fine. And then you get these little holders and little trays. Well, I tend to forget where I've put these, so I use just saucers, right? And I've got one here. And all you do is you buy the seeds in just, packs. So I've got different types of seeds here. You buy the seeds, you pop them in a jar, you soak them overnight or during the day, and then you drain it. And then every day you just put a little bit of water in, shake it up, drain it, which is what these holes are great for. And if you have, like this one, small seeds, you've got smaller holes, so you just keep them at that side. And if you've got bigger seeds like these mung beans or mung beans, then you can put them all over, it doesn't matter. And so every day you're just rinsing them off a little bit and giving them a little bit of fresh water. And then after, I don't know, usually the next day to 2 days later, you've already got little sprouts coming off them. Within a week, you have sprouts that are big enough that you can add them to sandwiches, salads, stir fries, different foods. Soups, they say, I've never tried it in a soup, but I'm going to. And I have different types. So there's tons of different types. One type is, there's sprouting seeds, but they're more like, there's broccoli, there's something that's more like cabbage. There's all sorts of them that you can find. Very good. So do try them. I'm trying 3 different types. And then I've got this sprouting mix. Now I've started to put them in these containers so that they're kept nice and dry, and they don't start growing before I want them to. And they're quite good, but it really gives you enough that you can have 1 or 2 people, maybe more if you had bigger jars or more jars. I usually only do 1 jar at a time, but this week I decided to try different types because I had accumulated so many different types of seeds. So if you are interested and you want me to do more videos on how I've gone with my sprouting, then please do put a comment in the comments below, and I will try and have another video link up at the top on another device I have on hydroponics, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to use it alongside the sprouts or the sprouting so that I have my own indoor kitchen garden, and that way I can hopefully reduce my grocery bill. So that's it for now. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up. It really does help. And if you have suggestions or questions, please do put them in the comments below. And if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.